About numerical estimation, many students think that it may be very confusing. It's because we have some criteria: round up, round down, round off are three different methods to estimate our values, and then we have different requirements about the accuracy. So to solve this, you need a standardized method. For example, like part A. I always ask my student imagine that it is a ruler, and they say nearest integer, so we have 265 is the whole number. This is between 265 and the next value 266. We are going to choose either this number or this number to estimate, to use a more simple number to represent this value. And then there is some criteria how you choose this value or this value. They say round up, that means we always choose the larger one. So in part A, round up, we will choose this one. However, if they ask us to round down, then no matter what next to it, then we just simply choose the smaller one. And some of you think the next digit is 4. That means the value is slower than half. It's closer to 265. And then this concept is round off. Round off, then you will choose 265 in this case. So don't mix up round down and round up is more straightforward. Round down, just choose the smaller one. Round up, just choose the larger one. So in part A, they are asking round up to nearest integer. So it should be 266. And then in part B, we use similar method. Now this time the number is more detailed. They say 1 dp, so that means we are as accurate until this digit. But all after this digit, we just negate it. So we have 265.4, and the next interval is 265.5. And then in this case, they ask us to round down, so it's straightforward. Round down, we just choose the smaller one to represent it. So part B answer is 265.4. Don't be affected by the another digit because we are not using round off, we are using round down. Alright, finally, part C. Two significant figures, you have to count. The most left-hand side digit will affect the number the most. So this is the most significant figure, most important figure, and the another one is the second one. So that's why this is the first, this is the second. We just make sure our number accurate until this digit, and all behind we just replace it by 0. So this is 260, and what behind we don't really care. And then next digit is 270. We are going to choose round off, so we need to read one more digit. It's more than half. It's somewhere here, closer to 270. So our answer in part C is 270. To avoid being confused, the key point is you understand the meaning of round up, round down, round off, and also the accuracy, the requirement at the back. And then more practice to avoid any careless mistake here.